Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to learn, yes, ChatGPT will do many things. What these things do you know? We are let you know now what are the things can be possibly do with ChatGPT. Let us ask questions to ChatGPT. It's really awesome and wonderful. We are going to learning now. If you are first time watching this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and support. Let's start it. How to start a business? If anyone, will you share the steps? What are the actions you need to take to start a business? Maybe or maybe not be. So let ChatGPT what it will suggest us. How to start a business. So I'm asking to ChatGPT what it is suggesting. Wow, starting a business can rewarding venture of but requires careful planning, preparation, and steps to take and care to and have an essential steps you have to take and care. It's really awesomely identify business idea, conduct market research, develop a business plan, source funding, business structure, register your business in your government or organization, set up your operations, launch your business with your any celebrity or making a low time like a spreading out this to all the person. This is many ideas it is given. If you are new to ChatGPT, create a free account using Microsoft or Google account to start accessing and ask a question to ChatGPT to know more details. And wonderfully, I'm asking one more question to ChatGPT. So, how to get rich? Most of the persons, they may think it and they may dream it, but they won't. But let's see. Get rich is a combination of financial knowledge, hard work, strategic planning is highly required to make you build a successful wealth. So invest yourself, save and invest wisely, start a business, live below your means, seek opportunities and passive income, surround yourself with successful people, how they are. Yes, so making such a goal and preparing yourself, definitely you become a successfully getting rich. And more descriptive, you just start today and learn and learn from ChatGPT. And if you are willing to sing and want to become a successful programmer or coder, why don't you ask the question to ChatGPT? How to become or how to learn coding? Is it possibly we'll get an answer from this? Wow. Learning coding is a challenging process. What the steps are required and essential it is suggesting. Choosing a programming language, learning platforms, online portals are available, Udemy, Coursera, many of them. And practice of coding, building projects, join a community, attending events, online forums, and keep learning coding consistently evolving. Like it's required to learn updated versions. So remember all these things, and now these ChatGPT is greatly supporting you more and more. I hope if you feel this video lecture is helping for you, please do subscribe today and support our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.